In this video, what I have here today is a set of crampons, and these are like shoe crampons for walking in ice or maybe snow or any type of frozen ground, and you just want to like do either mountaineering, trail running, or just fishing. And the trail running and fishing is probably what I'm going to use them for the most. And this is from the company, I think you would say that Unafabile, maybe? Enough of a baby. And these are the crampons, and these will fit trail runners, hiking shoes, and work boots. And you do have to size them per one of these. I use trail runners the most and hiking boots, so I wear between like a 9 and 10, and that's exactly what I have, is a size large US men's 9 to 11. So it usually gives you 2 sizes on that. So let's go ahead and open them up. They came just like this, by the way. So let me just go ahead and open these up. A very sturdy bag here, and they come a bag and a bag, and this is a drawstring bag, and this is a very durable nylon style bag with red accent on the side, and it looks like it's been stitched. It's folded nylon and then stitched along there, and has a little drawstring. I do like the drawstring bag right there. So let's just open them up. You know what, put them out here, and there you go right there on these. Wow, these things look pretty premium. Just looking at it right here. They have the doubled up in the eyelets there. There's a lot thicker rubber there, which I always like to see that, so it's thicker rubber. They seem to be like that basic chain. I have another set that's like cordage around, rubber cords. This has chains everywhere. So let me just go ahead and put these on, and it looks like you get some sort of, this must go around the top of the shoe. Yep. Right like that. No instructions in here, so let me just go ahead and put these on. Let's see down inside of here. Anything in there? Nothing in there. Let me just figure these out, because I don't know what this goes to, and then I think it goes around the top of the foot once you get them on. So let's go ahead and put them on and see what they look like. Okay, everybody, I just put this one on, and then that's the L means large on the back. And then I'm going to show y'all exactly what this does. So you're going to put this on here like this, and you see how that goes. And then I'm going to go around the top of the foot to the other side, just like that. And that's what that does. And that holds them on the top of the foot. Check out how easy these things are to get on, by the way. So you really just put your toe down like that, and they stretch. They are very flexible and stretchy, super simple. And you would just leave this on there. So go right here. And you need to make sure you do it the way you think it's doing it, upside down, just like that, and then goes around. Tighten that up. And then you don't go super tight with that, or it'll fold it up. Look at how good those things work. That works great. On mud, it's not cold enough out for these things, but look how these things, they feel like football cleats. Just walking around with them like that, I feel these things are gonna work great this winter in the icy environment. They're pretty light too. I really don't even tell that they're on there. You can see the trail they're leaving behind. Look at this. So here's some mud. Watch this. You see how it grips in the back and the front, and the way these bite in there are like very tight. So I will be using these in my travels in the winter time here. I've got a trip coming up where I'm going to be traveling up north, where it's going to be frozen a lot. And the shoes I have here, you know, these are my hiking shoes, the Salomon X Ultras. I really recommend these. These are the Gore-Tex version, the Salomon X Ultras. But I use these for hiking, but these seem to work well on these crampons right here. And then grab this back plate. Look how quickly I can take these off. If I'm going in the house or something like that, you just pull them off real quick. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the crampons. See you all in the next video.